What's going on, people? It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue, C Nasty, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. Man, I hope everybody's feeling good, because guess what? I'm feeling really good, energetic, and I came to bring some of that to your screens right now. Listen, this message is from God through my mouth to your ears right now. Listen to the message, people. Listen, God told me to tell you today, your success is on its way. Huh? God told me today, your success is on its way, chosen ones, and I'm not playing with you. All you must do, besides hit the like button, is, all you must do is have the faith and keep the faith that it's coming through. It is coming through for you, chosen ones. It is coming through for you, empaths. Believe it. What you've been working on, what you think, what you've been working on is just about to just fall to the wayside. What you think, what you've been working on is just not about to make it to the ears of the hundreds, of the thousands, of the millions that you expect for it to reach. Let me tell you something, chosen one. The power of God, the power of the Holy Spirit does not play when it comes to you and it comes to the decisions you decide to make today. I'm telling you, for real. Why do you think I'm so hyped up? Why do you think I'm so charged up right now, chosen ones? Believe it or not, this message right now, I'm so hyped up so this message could just reach through the screens and touch you, so the chosen ones, so that the divine knows that you're the chosen ones that I'm talking about, that is ready to get your blessing, that is ready to have everything, that is ready to manifest, that is ready. Let me calm my little happy self down. Let me calm my little happy ass down. But for real, God told me to tell you, your blessings is on its way. Your blessings are not on delay. They're right on time. They are right on time, chosen ones. And the chosen ones that believe that they still have to deal with all the negative, toxic energy around them, believe it or not, God told me to tell you that's out of here. All the chosen ones out there that don't know if they're going to be able to pay their rent in the next 10 to 15 days, God told me to tell you, oh, it's paid. Don't worry about it. All the chosen ones out there that are thinking right now, should I leave this crazy job that I'm at, that the boss does not appreciate me, that they treat me like crap. I don't know. I do everything I can at that job. I pick up and put down everything I can at that job, but yet they still devalue the chosen one. I'm leaving today. God said, I got your back, your front, your right, and the left side of you. I'm walking with you in your decision today. God said, whatever you got planned, you move on it, chosen ones, empaths, today. And don't let it stop you. Don't let fear stop you. Don't let anybody, a baby mother, a girlfriend, a boyfriend, a friend, don't let them stop you from your dreams, chosen ones. Don't let them stop you from what you see, chosen ones. What you see inside of you is meant to only be seen inside of you, and you bring it out to reality. Because it's yours. It's not for other people to see. It's not for other people to even understand. They couldn't understand if they even tried. And guess what? When they don't understand, what did Nas say? They hate it. They will dislike you for what you're trying to do and the success you're trying to go for. And that's going to be one thing that's going to hinder your process. If you start feeling bad for what you think, of course you're going to start feeling bad for the success and the progress that you see and you're making in your life, chosen one. You start getting scared of your own success. You start fearing the own success. And you start going back into older habits. You start going back into repeating the cycles. But no, chosen one, God told me to tell you today, man. God told me he told me to hype it back up. He said, listen, it's about to come. It's coming for you. For real, all you gotta do is be patient and wait and keep grinding, rising and grinding and rising and grinding and shining. And you're gonna, that day is gonna come. That day is gonna come, chosen one, when you're gonna be thanking. You will be thanking the people that crucified you. You will be thanking the people that rejected you. You will be thanking the betrayal spirit that is on you. Because, chosen ones, I know that we have that betrayal spirit on us. We have a spirit of betrayal on us because we've been betrayed so many times. We've been rejected so many times that it's been hard for us to believe. It's been hard for us to see because people around us, all they do is deceive. But guess what, chosen ones? Guess what, empaths? I'm here to tell you today, God and his kingdom are gonna come down and stomp on the enemy that is holding you back from anything that you believe is holding you back. Once you walk out the door and you leave anything behind that you believe is holding you behind, it's not rocket science. You just gotta go and do it. And God says, just show and prove it. I know the Spirit is talking through me. Look how much I'm rhyming. I'm natural poeting right now. Energized right now. People, listen. It's your time. 2024 is your time to shine. Yo, for years and years and years, we've been going through pain. Nights of just terrorism. You get what I'm saying? Nights of just sleeping with the enemy because we felt like there's nothing left for us. We felt like there's nothing else we could do. Chosen ones, God is telling me to tell you, if you're sleeping with a bomb shika right now, ladies, God is telling me to tell you, if you're sleeping with the niggatron that is just a demon in disguise, God is telling me to tell you, get them out your lives right now so the blessings could come tomorrow. You get what I'm saying? Oh, that's how it happens. You subtract. You gotta forget some things in order to remember other things. And God is telling me to tell you, you have to remember the life that you had before this little Decepticon was in your life, causing terror to your life. Straight terroristic parasites. You gotta get them out your life, chosen ones. God is telling me to tell you, chosen ones, if you were at this job right now and that boss is just treating you like you're the bottom of the barrel trash, you seeing new people coming in getting perks that you ain't never even thought you could get. You didn't even know you could get it until this new dude just came, busting your ass in there for years. God is telling me to tell you, yo, get the meat. All you need is the faith, energy, and your legs, and gets to walking. God is telling me to tell you, it's your time to shine. You know, if you got goals, you got a vision, you know that you got something inside of you that's worth everybody seeing. It's worth, you know the value of it. I can't even tell you through words what it's worth. You gotta work on it, put it out, publish it, do what you gotta do. Change your life. Work for yourself. That's what God gave you the energy to do. He didn't give you the energy to come be a slave-o-matic. You're alive. You are alive. You're not slave-o-matic. You're alive. Alive. And God told me to tell you to go live that life to its fullest potential. Stop being a slave-o-matic to these people making their dreams come true and make your dream come true. Make your dream come true, chosen ones. Can't even say it 3 times twice. Make your dreams come through. Make your dreams come true, chosen ones. God told me to tell you, Your baby mother, your baby father. Oh my God, they've been getting under your skin, right? They've been acting crazy. I mean, let me step out the car for this one. Your baby mother, right? Baby daddy, right? Oh, they acting up? Hold on, Paul. Oh, they acting crazy, right? They talking out their neck crazy to you, right? Every 5 minutes, it's an argument. Not even about the child. If you're not even with them, it's not even about the child. It's about what your person got you going on in your personal life. Your baby mother, huh? She disrespect you. She don't want you to see your child, huh? Curse you out. Take your money, huh? Your baby daddy out there, he just with all the bomb sheikas. He giving that thing to all the bomb sheikas out there, huh? Got you stressing. Got you taking care of his little babies. God is telling me to tell you, you want things to change? This message is from God through my mouth to your ears right now. This is what you gotta do. I know it sounds crazy, it sounds cliche also. Listen, God is telling me to tell you, stop cursing them. Stop cursing them. Stop giving your energy to them. Stop sending negative energy to them. Stop cursing them out. Stop calling them the B word. Stop calling them bum ass N word. Stop. Stop. And just stop. And pray for them. Pray that they get over the sickness of hating you. Pray that they get over the sickness of the way they treat you, chosen ones, empaths. Pray for them. And watch how things will change. It's not a one-day process. It's not a two-day process. Remember that. Patience, young grasshopper.